A powerful feature of CDM Plus is the ability for each person who uses the program to adjust the look and feel of the program to the work that they do and to their particular work style. This training video is going to cover a few of the options available in user preferences that will help you set up CDM Plus to work with you as well as for you. To access user preferences on a Mac system, click CDM Plus on the menu bar, then go to Preferences and click on CDM Plus User. If you're using CDM Plus in Windows, access user preferences from the File item on the menu bar. Find Preferences, then click on CDM Plus User. This will open the User Preferences window. On the General tab of this window, you'll be able to set up toolbars that will help you navigate the program, set up your user email, and set defaults that let you specify a window that opens whenever you start up CDM Plus. CDM Plus consists of several different programs that help your church manage information and care for people. However, you may do most of your work in only one or two areas of the program. Setting up and using toolbars can help you go quickly to the parts of the program where you work. To set up one or more toolbars, start by clicking the Toolbars button on the General tab. You'll see a list of all available toolbars. You turn on a toolbar by checking the box next to the name. For example, if you work mainly with membership, you may want to check the toolbar for membership. If you also work with tracking attendance and visitors, you may want to check the toolbar for attendance. You can also say where you want the toolbar to appear, either on the top, bottom, left, or right edges. You can also let the toolbar float so that you can freely move the toolbar around on your screen. I'm going to leave my toolbars on the top edge. When you click Save, your toolbars will appear. If you hover over the symbol, a box will pop up to tell you which part of the program that particular symbol leads to. If you prefer, though, you can include text on the toolbar to tell you. So let's go back to User Preferences. When you set up your toolbars, you can check the box that says Show Text. And when you click Save, now you have the text to go with the symbols. Some people like having the text. Others prefer to have that space for work windows. But CDM Plus lets you set it up so that it works for you. If you decide later that you don't need or don't want the text to show, just go back to User Preferences and uncheck the Show Text box. If you decide you want a toolbar in a different location, it's as simple as moving it. Let's say I want the Membership toolbar on the left edge. I simply move my mouse to this area next to the double line, click, and then drag the toolbar over to the left edge. Using toolbars can help you focus on the parts of CDM Plus that you use most often and help you move around those parts of the program quickly and easily. Another preference you can set is your email. CDM Plus allows you to send emails to individuals directly from the program. Your system administrator or CDM Plus support can set up CDM Plus to connect to your email system, but in User Preferences, you set up the name and email address that you will use when sending email from the program. To set up your email, go back to User Preferences, click on the User Email button, then simply type in your name and email address. Often you may need to look up a church member and send that person an email. For email to one person, CDM Plus can use your default email program, such as Outlook, Mail, or AOL, to send the email. To use your email program for sending emails to just one person, check the Use External Email Client for Single Emails box. Click Save, and you're all set up. If most of your time is spent working in one particular area of CDM Plus, or if you have a particular task that you perform every time you start the program, you can set the program up to open that window for you whenever you start CDM Plus. For example, if I mainly work in membership, I may want CDM Plus to open the individual records window whenever I start the program. In this case, I click the Defaults button. Under At Startup, select Open Menu Item, choose the Membership part of the program, and then choose Individual Records. After I click Save, then whenever I log into the program, CDM Plus will open the Individual Records window for me. Or let's say I'm the financial secretary. I may want CDM Plus to open the Batch Contributions entry window whenever I start the program. Each user can set the preferences that suit them without affecting anybody else that uses the program. I hope this video helps you see just a few of the ways you can tailor CDM Plus to the work you do and the way you do your work. If you have questions, you can contact CDM Plus support at 1-800-633-9581.